Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust text boxes height and width using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this home option, this menu bar, and select here edit option. I will make these two text boxes same height and same width. Click on this format option, and this is alignment option. Here you can make this adjust text box height and width, and this format option you can manually make this text box height and width same. And first we see this text box. Now click on this format, this text box height and width. See this. First let adjust height. I'll make it 700. Enter. Also I'll make this one format option 700. And see this two text boxes wide now same, and similar way hide this one 180 and make it 130. This one also 130 and press enter. And see this two text boxes height and wide now make same. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.